I don't have to explain to you. The gamble is conducted by those who have money enough. But is it really important? Otherwise, essential to enjoy our lives. I doubt it. Surely, I doubt it. It doesn't matter how much money you have. It doesn't matter what kind of house you have gorgeously. Now I'd like you to think of the following. How you enjoy your free time. Time you have shall be used for those who understand the meaning of lives. You got to be careful enough, you got to be energetic enough to concentrate upon living according to righteousness. Use energy enough not to fly off upon now tangent. This is all I'd like you to think of this time.